Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 Index Fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the Dxy or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, at the SP500, what it done today, it came from here yesterday till up here, that's in the 4 hours, but it couldn't break that level here. So also we still stuck here, and now it gave us here pin bars here, and now the European market is getting close, so I think it's going to fall down again. So also we staying here in that level here, as you see it is a accumulation level there. It give us here a price action here now. Yes, it give us, you can make like that and like that in the top, like a symmetric triangle or a triangle. Let's make it like that, a descendant triangle. So that one, if it came a break lower here, you can enter short just to here, to that level here. You're taking some of the profit that's in the coming hours. If it's breaking up, you doing the same thing. You calculate it like that and you make it upward. So till now you need to wait in. I'll show you how to draw it. Very simple. It just came like that. Look with me here and here like that. And you wait in the break where it's going to happen. If it's break lower here, that means it will fall down till here, till that level here. If it's breaking upward here, you bring the same line like that and you do it. Oh, I think everything is too clear. And here, what else we said in the last videos? We said it give us here like a up channel like that, as you see it. Even that one, if it's getting broke down here, you can enter short. Same thing over here, you're taking some of the profit. So till now it's showing there is a reverse, but we don't know if it's going to reverse or it's going to break up. Till now also we're still waiting, because over here the SP500 in that level, he's showing a big resistance there. So we don't allow it to get broken in that level. And may I tell it to you, I told you we're going to stay sideways here till next week. But now, if it's breaking here, that level here, that one, if it's getting broke here, you enter short. You enter short, take profit of you. It needs to be just here at 3,900. Everything is too clear. And even if you go to the daily, you're going to get more clear picture. Here in the daily, as you see it, yesterday, when it fall down to the 200 moving average, it show us here that pin bar here, that one, that red one. It zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. As you see here, it give you here that red pin bar here. But today, even the green candle, it's showing us there is a pin bar over there. So what that indicating? It's indicating over here in that level we got a war between buyers and sellers. People they believe in it will go up, and people they believe in it will not go up. So till now there is nothing new here. You need to wait till more. And here I show you that head and shoulder we got here. I showed it to you before, but till now we haven't breaking up, so also we need to still waiting. And here in the daily again, I show you even that one. I show you even that megaphone we got here, as you see it. So all those things, they are together. Now here in that place, here in the daily, it's showing it's breaking up, but we need to wait and more what's going to happen here, if we are going to fall down or we are going to break up. So till now we need to wait and more what's going to happen in the coming days. There is no clear picture now. Let's going back now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Over here, as you see it, over here, it needs to break for us here to give us an uptrend, because as you see, it give you here a high. Now it give you here a low, but here it couldn't give you another high in that level here. So if it fall down again, it's going to give you here a double top. That's another story. But also we will not wait until the double top. If it's breaking for us here, that level here, we will enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. As you see, our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Also, we enter long from down here. Yeah, now we're still waiting if we're going to close that long or no. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, no entry long. We're still waiting here. The price action. What is going to tell us either is going to break or no. So till now we need to wait and more. There is going to 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today in 30 minutes. So we're going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. In the last video, when I analyzed for you the SP500, what I told you? I told you if you are a very aggressive person, you draw here that small trend line here. When it's getting broke here, you enter long. So we'll have you enter long from here, look till where? Till here. We'll have you make nice profit. And I told you another thing. I told you we got here, that one like that, like a small channel like that. Even that one, when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter long till here. Now, did we got any price action here? It's showing us something here in 30 minutes. Yes, you got here like a small head and shoulder here, but the neckline, is it down here as you see it? the one here. It doesn't get broke here, so we need to wait and more. Like that, you drawing the neckline as you see it. Over here, the first shoulder. Over here, the second shoulder. And over here, the second shoulder. Over here, the shoulder, first shoulder, the head. Over here, the second shoulder. Neckline is it here. That one, if it's breaking up, you can enter long. But now there is no entry long. Now for the entry short, what you need, look with me how I'm going to draw it. You come here. You draw it like that, like a megaphone. If it's breaking here, in that level here, a candle came and closing below that level, you enter short again. Take profit of you, it needs to be just here. That just for scalpers, just here in that level here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. And the thing is going to break. But let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Last time from here we fall down, and even from here. Now you are there again. Did you got any price action? Yes, you got. You got here that mega fall like that and like that. If that one came a candle and closing below that level here, you enter short. First take profit of you. It needs to be here in that level here for scalpers and day traders. But that it will not happen today. It will happen till Monday because today is the last day of the market. So you need to be careful about those things, I'm telling you. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, the same thing, nothing was changed. We said here, we got here a up channel like that. As you see it, over here, he couldn't touch the top of it again. So that's something new here. If it came and break a lower here, you enter short, and you can even make the same like how we show it in the SP500. You can make here a triangle like that. If that one came and break it lower here, you can enter short, and over here you close some of the profit in that level here. Even that one is another part, but me here in the Nasdaq 100, I'm waiting that up channel or that uptrend like that to get broke here, because if you look in here, look with me here, what the market being given you here, he give you here a high, here it give you another low, he give you another high, another low here, but now he couldn't give you another high. So there is something not right. If it came now and break a lower here, because over here it's showing the trend is getting slower and slower, and there is no more momentum to give you another high. So if it came and breaking for us the trend line here, we'll enter short again. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area for some time now. Level, you are in a very stronger level here. Price action you got, I'll show you. You got that one here, that triangle there. If it came here and break it here, you can enter short. When that one enter here to the overbought area, you started closing some of the profit like how we did. We enter long from here. Over here, we started protecting ourselves. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video I told you here, exactly like the SP500. If you are very aggressive, you can enter long from here. So if you enter long from here till here, all of you make very nice profit in the Nasdaq 100. And even here, he tried to give us here a head and shoulder. Look at it. It's not clear, but it tried to give you here a head and shoulder. The neckline, you can make it like that. So that one, it doesn't get him broke up. So there is no entry long. And look with me here. He tried to give you a very big double top. But it needs to fall down till here and to break lower here. So that one it's still early for it. And here give you here like a megaphone here as you see it. So that one if it came and break a lower here, you can enter short to that place here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is enter here to the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it from here, and here you fall down last time. Now here, did you got any price action there? Yes, you got here that megaphone here. If it's getting broke here, you enter short, and I think it's going to break today. If it's breaking here, you enter short. Remember those things? Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. That one, what we said here, we got here a triangle like that. As you see it, now it's breaking here in that level. That indicating that one, it will go up till here, till that last high here. So people, they trading forex pairs like British pound, Euro USD, the US dollar, it will going up a little bit. So be careful about those things, I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. And over here, we got that price action I show you now. And the level, you are in a very stronger level here. as you see it will be in here bouncing all the time. So now it give you here that price action here, and now it's breaking up here as you see it. Now you can enter long tail here. I think everything is so clear. Now let's going to see what the DXY doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. There we are in the DXY in 30 minutes. That one here. Last video I told you here in that level here. If it's breaking here, you enter long, and now it's breaking as you see it where we are. So should you enter long now? Yes, you can, because in the 4 hours it's just breaking, and you got here a cup and handle here. It's just breaking now. So that one you just came here and you do it like that. Maybe it's going to go till here, till that peak here, that one. So that place you can take some of the profit. Here in 30 minutes me I'm talking. I'm not talking about long term. 4 hours it's just breaking now. I think everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. That just for scalpers. That one yesterday would be in here. Then it fall down and spend all the day and the night here in that place. Now should we enter long? Should we enter short? At that place there's still a big war. There is no long, no short now. Also we said it before. We said it needs at least to break here or to break lower here in the 4 hours to give us a clear picture, because till now it's still sideways here. So my advice for you for the Bitcoin, you wait in here. You see it give you here like a double top, but there is no power to break in the neckline. The neckline here is the 200 moving average. If it came and break lower here, you can enter short to down here to that level here. But till now it doesn't break in, so there is no entry short, no entry long. So you wait in that break here of that double top to get broke for you to enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, it touch here the overbought area. Now it give you here like that double top here, but the neckline is that 200 moving average as you see it. It needs a candle to come to close below it for you to enter short. Till now there is no entry short, so you need to wait in, and I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle finish it to analyze for you only Bitcoin. So make sure to watching our daily video. So that's it for that video guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now.